Hi folks, and welcome to the BC Vintage Truck Museum. This is our latest acquisition, a 1948 Hayes 1312 truck. It started out its life over on the island in Port Alberni, BC as a truck hauling heavy equipment in the woods. Then it worked for a bulldozing company, and later on Max Oysters of Fanny Bay, hauling oysters. It was beautifully restored in 1980 by Vic Laughlin. He spent over 25 years getting it to this pristine state and graciously shared his possession with us by donating to the BC Truck Museum, where we could be caretakers of this wonderfully restored truck. We have many other vehicles here for everyone to come see, ranging in the years from 1910 to about 1977. Lots of cool memorabilia, artifacts, machinery, and lots of great history. We're located in Cloverdale, BC, corner 176th Street and 60th Avenue. 6022 176th Street. That's in Cloverdale, BC. Please come by and check us out. There's lots more to see. Hope to see you here. Bye for now.